pero bagay kayo.
Bagay naging mag-best friend.
Mag-duo talaga. Okay. Before we get to your question, gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo kanina. Yan ang duo ko for life.
Best friends for life.
Best friends for life.
Totoo ba yan?
Totoo.
Totoong best friend. Oh, saan naman nagsisimula talaga yan, di ba? Okay, kaya naman simulan na natin ang katanungan ngayon, Rebecca. As you know, two people known for your calm, powerful presence, how do you guys push yourself to go beyond what people expect from you or of you?
For me, it's always about taking that first step. Once you make that first step, it's boundless you're limitless. Parang, as long as you keep on improving yourself, and yung outside noise lang for me kasi yung expectation sa mga tao. So, as long as you go beyond that, it's the first step talaga all the time.
Galing-galing talaga nakasagot mo ba? Galing-galing.
Diba?
Ayos. How about you, Mika?
Ako, kuya, syempre, ako nag-focus sa expectation ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, ako, importante sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao sa salamin pag bago ka matulog Kung ano yung na-expect rin sa'yo.
And then you transcend from that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not about what people think.
Yeah.
It's about what you can do for yourself. I love that answer, and that is why you guys are big winners of this edition. Again, palakpakan po natin, Rebecca, right here on